All right. Opanyi enti
Yes.
yɛmfa ne sɛ
Mm,
UK sese no
mm.
metaa te sɛ yɛse UK foɔ ɛyɛ pɛpɛɛ. Meyɛ sure sɛ wate.
Oh yeah, of course. Even my wife
Yes.
told me.
Yes. Very good. Deɛ nti na ɛte saa sɛ UK foɔ ɛyɛ pɛpɛɛ.
I, of course. You can what do you mean just go for hard? No, I did that, but it's not easy because we have our card so. Secondly, scan different type. Some are scam, obi ni way na di odi nya ska. Friend say ni way.
Ne mfifire.
Your friend say
Ne
ni
sweat.
fifre na odi
Fifire.
nya
Yeah.
ska. So, ono so want to mean judge scam obi and this no.
Mm-hmm.
Before say na me free adwuma buy no ni my bread totally.
Yeah.
Because we move over nkonwa na mo we have to go and
Yeah.
sanitize it
Yeah.
for the next program. Nkonwa more than 6,000. More than that. Nti the
Models
point
ana.
is obi. Oh, yeah, that's so. Yeah, that's so. Yeah, that's so. Obi are engineers, we are different division of labor. Oh,
Okay.
it's a
Okay.
division of labor. Everyone does. Obi are for Kasapo, Obi are the business.
Noko.
Obi are in India. Sane. Nje scanning different type. Obi mu omuton we. Obi mu omuton powder. Obi mu omuton we ajima reality. Omu omuton powder ni. Ono baba sisi ya tontie na wa ka sika pa buying in a boga way say no. So ye ajima papa a tua o. Okọ ajima 8 hours. Some people go ye me ko ajima 12 hours.
Okay.
12 hours. I start 6 and 6.
Okay.
Me to me participant to chess it's hard. Also tax baby. Tax in India. The advantage of doctor who call NHS free
Okay.
through your tax.
Mm-hmm.
When the adjustment so unemployment benefits will look after you because you continue you put something in.
Okay.
You put something in. So to take it out, it's easy. You're entitled. Put some. That's why they change so many. Oh, secret and I demand for because you say I don't know. Most of the crata you're not entitled for public fund. Most of the crata demand purposes they are 2.5 to not entitled for public fund
Okay.
because ultimately before Vitica I will contribute to also we first one. No one renew. Second one you renew about £3,000 to renew one paper. 3,000.
Mm,
Who renew to say 3-4 times and now I'm our sitting as a but then also who the BBI
yeah.
that's it. That's why we go to hospital for free at least. And yes, me call Ghana, East London, friend is Alliance Française near Medina side. I saw a woman crying because of 2 million. Why? And the doctor asked him, they don't even want to look at that old woman. I paid 2 million to rescue the woman. Why? I and this we don't have something like that here. I can decide now and pick up a phone and say, wait. She said the ambulance will come here. Ambulance will super. In the ambulance, there are paramedics, specialists. Quack, 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 chaka, chaka, checking the temperature. Via any idea, chaka, 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 chaka. My Africa, and yes, of course, hospital, you cry. That's what we catch up and say, oh, in a mama, I see hospital, me brother, we NDC, top. In a catch and say, oh, mama, I see hospital, Debbie. I will catch up, they sound inconceivable. The reason why I say that, can the poor people afford? That's the question. Hospital, yes. Can the poor people afford it? Don't me afford it.
Say we have insurance or
Health insurance, how much is it covering?
mhm.
How much is that your health insurance covering? And health insurance also, some of them don't even have the job. Health insurance, every month, another one.
I renew.
That's it. You
And I
renew
me say
to
a
pay
month, I don't know.
a monthly.
Mm-hmm.
So where is the job for them to do that? How they a year tax BBI because they give you job. How they also be so near Jima or choose Ajima no. Be pay way. So when choose Ajima dia when you Jima. You go to the agency, they got job to give you to get paid. Omo to like I say, as I bet na fee, aji government sika no. We street I will fee any up to the end. They be don't take money for free. Go and sweep it and make it nicely, and then we pay you for that. We can't do it in Africa.
No.
And then your resources be able to buy your wedding now. The only thing we focus on. So I'm going to say, for gold, who do Johnny. Who do you call him? Eh? Who do you call him? More for scanning in a betu obroni krum. No, serious. Why? A serious for Africa is very sad.
Na say opanye ohwe
Yeah.
other countries
Mm,
US, Canada, Germany, France,
mm,
other
yeah.
countries bebree wɔ hɔnom Australia na asefo. Yɛn taage
Mm.
obi a so mo nyinaa nso mo yɛte mo tax ɔmo wɔ nɔɔma bi a ɛte sɛ the same as UK. But saa
That's
tag sɛ UK foɔ yɛ pɛpɛ ne dɛm ɛnte aseɛ.
for me, Papa, because we don't release money. It's not easy to get money. And yeah, easy.
Na yɛ sɛ
Before you can get money, before when you scan, you feel like you work for it.
wabrɛ na yɛ sɛ UK yɛ den ɛnyɛ saa.
Yeah, yeah. Open ye jima sana open ye scan because genuine people no. Obi amu ye other magic in there fine. They can share money. Obi buy ye America say the reason why omu chiche scan omu say a dime back 4 people, 5 people, 6 people in the room. Obi mu da omu taxi mu bebree. Me da for omu ba holiday wa. Me da for people holiday wa sa na okai. What show me then we say anka US ya. Me share 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 people on the bed. Sa na oka me. Wa counting ni na o ti share. Sa na oye me. But idea is not like that. And then
Mm,
me tell to say £600
mm.
before the bills, before you eat, before you pay for transportation in and out. Wow.
Tunie no
Uh-huh.
na
I was say,
aduane ne
again,
ɛyɛ
anything,
utility.
anything, utility bills be a top maybe light we are now contribute to a top 20 £20. As I sounds to us, ever do winter so a winter west because everywhere will be cold. You can't live unless you eat the room. You have
Okay.
to eat the room.
Enti na
Mhm.
kyerɛ sɛ woyɛ adwuma na sɛ yɛtua wɔ kaa yɛmfa no
Mm,
averagely yɛmfa no sɛ 2000 na 2500 sɛdeɛ na wɔka no
mm,
a
yeah.
mate sɛ saa sika no
Mm.
ɛbɛka wɔn saa na asa sɛdeɛ na abra kɔ titiri mu no.
Yes, exactly. Perfect. Rebecca, we are looking for like 500, 600 beer. You're lucky man. Maybe we see 12 hours. It depends. It depends, expensive. Maybe some people also more car, we better petrol. Omunum cigarette. Yes, into weekend silver, but no start be the phone. Sure, one day metro picture. Uko down her Friday, Ghana for one room side that the phone.
Ghana for
Yes. Baby, baby. Maybe especially weekends. Oh my God. One day I'll show you the picture. I'll show you one day.
anti ɔmo deda fam sɛ anaa ɔmo anom nsa sɛ
Omabu,
ɔmo abo.
Omabu, weekend.
Oh,
Mm,
I see.
Abra, yeah, every.
All right.
Nti,
Ana bra Kofi ekasa ya no san kan bibi o se child benefit bi.
And they didn't talk about it via.
Ade.
Odi Yoruba sisia wa
O se
ofasa odi Yoruba sisia na odi child benefit dey agro. That's where the marriage will go. Free, bye bye. Because the women eh
o se bimo
it
omo ebimo sheda de omo ekunuba ana omo yereba na ọbaa no behu sɛ o sei na ɛteɛ pa na wapɛ adwenkesi bi na ɔne no agyae
yeah.
na wɔgyegye benefit bi di.
Nunkwa na pamo afurifie no. Ya pamo akacha se hunu to say 10 years we are friend na mechi no. Oh, so your children, you never see them, and the women are easy to poison their mind. Oh papa, nye papa, oh papa. Sure. So the children are easy to hate you as well. Benefit in there, yeah. You have to have through Holland by no by and they be one or G benefit, you know. Or G benefit in 1 or 2 years. At the same time, only woman who Oma to say 3. One beton chine a one auto. One beton pepper a one auto. And I do say celebration, Muslim celebration, no. Na mo kyerɛ ntoma sɛ ɔmo ntɔ na obiara nhyɛ na afei fa ntoma no kɔɔ ne fie sɛ wani yɛahyerɛ ntoma o wobɛtɔ bi anaa yɛgya no sɛ ni sika ɛsɛ sɛ wonni sika sɛ dɛ wowɔ 3 children wonni sika why in this country why because hey me kun na agye ne nyinaa no ɔba no a ɔdi wei no kɔkyerɛ no ɔyɛ social service lawyer ne ɔka kyerɛ woma no sɛ ɛyɛ ne saa impossible sɛ wɔgye benefit no 12 o'clock a wokɔɔ 11:30 kɔgye benefit no na woma no kɔgyeɛ sika bebree ɔse ɔno nso firi adwuma no so maame fa ɔno agye yɛ sika wɔkɔdu hɔ no a ɔmo ka kyerɛ sɛ are you coming to defraud us your wife came for the money you're coming for the money again nka sɛ no mede deɛ wɔngye bi da na ɔmo ka kyerɛ sɛ dabi ndɛ deɛ wɔagye ɔmo bɔɔ computer kakakakaka na ɔbue fo kɔhyɛ nika ho puu kɔdu fie tia break sure sɛ na ɛdi disrespect mba wɔ Africa no he still have that behavior. Oko fie no ina woman no share toilet mu lawyer no share toilet no just to see his behavior as an evidence.
Yeah.
Ay, no woman no pie so na me nim say wanya say there be mati conversation mo here. Then na would benefit for long term. It's for us. It's for the woman. It's for the woman. So yeah, nice. You can also enjoy the money on what you might be a duani, bibia, you bet you have a bobby bushia, but don't stand firm, say, scanning a wood here. But Obano be jaw sia. Ever sanu, no, they are 70 by a community war for 7 sisters. Nam pay phone or more chroma 40 years, 50 years. I won't be sound to say, Maza, my ambisa benefit no Ojiana, 1 age benefit. Welcome. Yeah, bisa one catch true for us to go to find place to stand. So we can on catch it, mammy catch up. So for a while, yeah, don't touch that money. Me, I walk room 40 something years, you know. Me, him send a marriage, but I know when she's taking it. Yes, as long as now, pretend say, Minister, be the animal, the one we may ID. Oh, Stanley says, can you, yeah. She's here, Obana Pamuna Frio. Obana on the condition. Stop taking the money, we continue the relationship, or I kick you out. I kick your ass.
Adio.
Yes,
Enti na
I
yɛ
kick
sɛ
you out.
wohwɛ a awareɛ ɛwɔ UK ɛden.
Oh, some work, but yeah, some it depend whom or free. Some of them were brought up correctly. Some of them so they appreciate, say, oh, maybe we'll kurasi, na okofano. Maybe I'm free kurasi be brave, then they realize, hey, like to a baby, because I don't want to touch over. Want to touch over. No,
What I tell never.
Baba, she say, ya bo kawada dada. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Hey, Baba Fresh is here. Medu as it's here. Tika. Oba Mbakura. 3 cars, 4 cars, police.
Sir?
Yeah, cha. Semuku down now. Move. They'll break the door. Chill.
Ada
Yes, because
wanya
what?
experience bi wo mu da.
Ah, media no. And you mean because my baby mom no abom me asunda. Abom me asunda. But then for me nikira ta. Don't you village wo? Village no so black be anyo. Nkwa black be anyo. Don't you? Bristol, Yeovil, Taunton. All is full of. Obi abe touching me skin da. Obi abe touching me skin. God, listen, I'm not trying to be rude. I've never seen black in my life, so apologize. I say, no, don't worry. What touching me skin, see.
Sese, odwen say ye dade ana say
Say that, yeah. I go see Brody. Yes, I know. Maybe I mean, me banupo. Maybe I mean, me banupo. No one mixed race war. So they know. Omunim house our free. You know,
mm,
because they know come on there. Because ni mama say jatante, no one is touching them. That man be some be team, ni mama no catch him say me cut up, na my lock door no one or down. So that I can see what kind of police will come here. Because on also on him crata no be.
mhm.
Yes. Oh, 2 times I tell some person me come on no. Obi be pushing me back. Your ko beach war. Bona will see. No be open no sa pushing me back. Before I see no banam, no pushing me, so no kasa rough. So me nikrata. Uja for so me to me abunu pa. Action is woman no to Yeah, I say, bro, listen, go before I change my mind. Go. But see, no, bro, you can say, listen, shut up and go. Go. Don't look at your back before I change my mind and vandalize you here.
That's right.
You know, but yeah, I'm gonna vandalize you straight away. Don't talk to me. I don't want to listen. Go. No sapai. Oh, bye. Once you bring them born assume that.
Yeah.
Born assume. Bye. I dey system be. Uye kitua I bet you. Uye kesi I bet you. And they finish the job. And please one law.
Eti ane
Odi
o ma no diwa na sum.
two. Bye. Bye. 2 seconds. Police go cha 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 cha. Say Ndede ma unko to straight. Kutoka. Ndede. Hallelujah. Kutoka straight. Omo pa ero. Na ne maame no so maame gyina n'akyi. O sɛ adeɛ woman voice is power.
Yeah.
Wadidi ɔmo attempt saa. Okay, listen, we're going to come back and arrest him. Yɛkɔ fie and do that night no catch him say me move from there come to London because it's about 3.5 hours from there to London. So I took a last train in the night, London. So it's got nothing to do there. The man is gone. But his baby is here. You can't do nothing. His baby is here. We got a baby. We got baby together. So what are you gonna do? Do nothing. Woman is all 12. Well, so what? Say no. You can't do nothing. I'm telling you. If you want, listen. Listen, it's like you're prolonging the conversation. Let's go to court then. Let's fucking go to court. That's what they're swearing. Oh, people say swear, but it's not swearing. That's
Yeah.
their system.
Yeah.
If you don't understand, let's fucking go to court and sort ourselves out there. You're wasting time. Let's go to court. Police also, you go court, and you say, well, you're police. No. Obedient has and Prempeh, it's got nothing to do with the police. Add your sanity. You're from neutral ground. Young call Toko. And yet Africa say, poor man, no, it's not like that. No. She said, for me, no court case, I'm losing my ajima. I'm still pushing them to tribunal. Now, my Jimmy Sika, I enjoy them. I'm pushing them there to tribunal. You see? The court tribunal
Wow.
says, yeah, government will say, so we lose ajima now. He's gonna carry the burden. I'ma say, the best thing will not allow the company to win you. No. Once you're working, they prefer you to be working.
Okay.
Say now, God, you be ajima. How they empower? We ajima up to 6 months power. So empower within 3 months, he has to just let you know he can't work with you. After 4 months, 6 months, automatically you are a staff. Because when you be our age, man, it's going on. Life is going on. Yes. No, I'm on contract. When the time I was signed contract, you're entitled for everything. Holiday pay, sick pay, so forth and so on. Pension, yes. Pensions who are clean. Obeju pension. They tell you, age you obeju. Oba beju. My mama be pension because mama the money. That's it.
And
Because the company,
they say pension engineer saying, oh,
he said, their cost, I think it's 75 or something like that.
hey.
Maybe enjoy pension. Maybe coffee. Enjoy pension. No. Maybe pension here. Enjoy pension there before you go.
Enti
You
untua pension enye compulsory on.
A compulsory. What do you mean? Because pension here were different companies. Well, you were Nestle, you were private pension, you were government pension. We are Jima with the Skabi basically aside the mouth. That one is there. Private pensions, so I'm gonna contact to say, Charlie, your company who be ni say, I remember say. So you contribute, who be do time now, no one is kanama. That one is
Okay.
there. Private pension, you can refuse not to do it. Say, I'm not gonna continue. But government pension there is automatic.
Okay. Eno kwa do mbeti ansa no mo do akatua ma.
Yeah, they be umbeti bi ya cow. Umbeti tax. No matter NI number. On secret and the microphone, your card be a penny NI.
Okay.
Only important man. Only important. Only a setting up.
Mhm.
And the government to pay and your passport will be done and it's rubbish. And I know no man nobody teach can unemployment. We be our school. Nkolako school all for free. Omo did it for free. School free. Omo did it for free. So could do university. Loan no omo from say beji government loan wo beji. Nyajima no omo take a ticket so one nyajima ukonya ajima so make say onya up to 1,000 £75. So what say 2,000 NTB
Enti sesi obi afro Ghana say oba UK wanya visa oba. Enti no connection bi apa wanya visa oba na oba be hwe wo so. Efuto be na do ma no because oba onko.
Well, once Ghana for no or Africa for because of our try war no. Oka no kwari mo bi a one chance. This wa come wa buy him.
Mhm.
Oba, obeji no wa ha. We pay ajima outside the law bi a dia man. You will call for more managers from the companies. No, tell us, I get cracked. Bakono, you said the crack, say, let me have one. No, I used to be. No, I used to maybe Bia or any date of baby fear. Case of your chinoa, I make us a midi say, no friend, dear, our system, our data system. So why is your mom we are born? We used to display scanner there. Fine. But display scanner there, she say, China, or Moody share code by no problem or what is here when you by look at you. Ahem. You will pay me when you're demand. No up a diamond. See you later. That's what you can do for him. Want to maintain a war forever now. Me not from betting apple, but now 6 months. But now 6 months. But when the war crata, on pair Jimmy, or bread and son of one crat and to pair Jimmy. Into a basha, so me near Jimmy by then. To my fight also crata, the crat also Papa Nibi. Then thing that they be out person yejima. On person yejima. Person we will comprehend about no idea. Because I said, no, ain't possible.
Sɛ
Also
onua dɔ na yɛ.
consider ah maybe the reason is I would say we are too much nicer because honestly minimum since infancy. When my parents in also be social media say but he took that as an advantage. Well, he took that but last month my cat was she said hide die. Also just 600 in me. But when you chance you buy our pay. No but let me say no way, no more chance, no more. They're difficult. Nya adwuma ma no a wotumi anya adwuma bi obi krataa maybe ɔmo ha adwuma ba ɛdeɛ obi abɛnya ne deɛ ɛdeɛ sɛ wontu so adwuma deɛ a kyɛ na mimi tena hɔ sɛ me I don't care magba akɔyɛ stadium da ma me adwuma sɛ mekɔ pra stadium last month 2 months ago mekɔ pra outside wo peke nice mo but just odi bibibi to fom a na wapeke or picker that's it and get about 15 pounds to 14 pounds an hour for 12 hours. Maybe boy been here, coffee. In a coffee, she a girl, you also a catch a girl, so no, your officer. What, what, no, see a girl, no. They don't want the man or power, different, naked. You catch us a coffee shop. No, what jai, a pride, no, control, no, baby. No, knowing the girl saw him. The girl did coffee, hey, coffee.
Atija.
No, so why busy say we are Juma so me ba na say David Uwa no say opera no ka ja Kobi no money no love no money only ska on pe o
Yeah.
ma me ka cho an kure oba scan sa o say obe change
Mhm.
kiriti bi o pre me o so my no pre gan Kobi bra ma mi kakra we aboa pa we aboa pa oba nti no ja ajimo joni eh sɛ that was sika bɛsa ɔbra no bɛgyaa wo bɛ special Ghana mba ɔtumi wɔ te sɛ 3 or 4 girl boyfriend or Mr. Udi ɛne Mr. Utia ɛne ne nyinaa
Oh, experience
sɛ
o. Oh, experience.
ah sɛ me wɔ girlfriend bi they are Ghanaians she's not far from me she's about 5 minutes away baba no na ne papa ɔmo ku ntɔkɔ da biara na mo sɛ nso tɔ wɔ outside you can see yɛngyina outside sir police will come and interrogate you. Oh, we are Ghana here. Nice girl, pa. Yes, mom. My friend George, Georgina. Nice. I'm getting back with you. I'm back with you. No. But also, maybe TV, no, 75 inches.
Hey, Anejai.
If you want to
Cinema.
see, I can change the color. 75.
Cinema.
Almost every corner. Yeah. I say, hey, no. Don't call the one. Say, yeah, I'm yeah. Say, hey, with the Asamabo, get no customers. I said, Biamba, maybe bow for only today. Don't come back here. I just help you for only today because original is doing it. Could even say, what about the to see
Hey,
on person on couple? No,
ana say wanya.
no. You papa so pay my sempa, but when you say, me born your color.
Hey, ana ochewa o.
Hey, of pay my sempa, papa. But we must say the occupation. And copy to say, but when you say, me banner the owner, have me banner.
Oh, nice. Eti, mami busa we. Emre bi adu ama within this 23 years yi. One know say otu kwan.
Sometimes I do.
Hmm.
Sometimes I do. Yeah. Because me go Ghana no. Me go castle a 2 miska. Me go castle na me to me as me build the house. Na me ba no. Family pressure ni nyina be dam so. Family pressure ni nyina obi ni tie kakra gu ye nia. Ye mia. Ba me Ghana na nyata. Me
Hmm.
tini na me move ko Medina. E papa to fie ko Medina. But me ba no so nyame aye me so ma nyame die. Ma nyame die mo. Ma nya 6 bedrooms top and down. And nice house, which I think many Muntaka, the same street, Muntaka MP.
Hmm.
Muntaka MP, the same street. Any Adamu Ramadan, the same street.
Oh, ana say yeah. Yeah, it's not bad.
And it's not bad, but
Enijie. Yanhwɛ enijie. Enijie kwan so like how I would me
mm,
socialize pie to say Ghana ho wetimi apie akọ chile no aba ho no.
Maybe I had easy. You see, I can't even remember the last time we got Chile because we were called Juma. Yeah, Juma. Life will be a new, life will be a new. Juma. She said, oh, there, so we need bed in Biadia. Only parents who say this come out, oh, no one will ask you for anything. You can go to club Friday, special Friday night, Friday, Saturday, or anywhere. Yes, Friday and Saturday in the world. Or people start from even Thursday. Say pops in man. Especially a bobola, be sweet in I want to be. Saturday, but Sunday no be very quiet because they know the following day they'll be going to work. But I need they want to mean we can't even our people don't like spending. Because o person won si fie
Yeah.
na me aburusa ni ani wo si aburusa na to ntina mu da o
Yeah.
ya si fie yes ya ntina mu da mi fie ni e da o ebi mu na enjoy ntina de be me catch me my people as they listen ka se wo si japade I don't want ntina mu da it just a name na ni fie ba ko Kumasi afujasi ina ye one ntina mu da
Yeah.
which is wrong. When you are 75 pensions, you can't even climb second floor. You will be brave. If you want to be cut up because life is gone.
Yeah.
Life is gone. Waste. And we are see, I ain't quite over to me.
Yeah.
The more move here, they enjoy quality life than us. And because it's scan you, but they're surviving.
Mhm.
Not that family. Look, only you TV. That's the finish. I fear there will be one or two people talk to them. You better not base. Yeah. That's the life. No, because there's nothing you can do. Say obi anya bi da. Ubwa. Ya yebi. We can mention
Ana
one of 2 millionaires.
ana ogusu ye.
Onu kusu ye. Eh? You mean
Na
fear na okay na.
na dia na ori.
Wait, I just forget the name. Look, wait, who we are, blood pressure, bibia, cause your blood, bibia nice or your skin, sure.
Debe no, me hu ade krompo.
Wait, oh, sure. Can you
Ah,
see?
yeah, me hu, ba me
Share
shede hu ade
inside,
kro.
share inside. Metro picture just some of you. Share
Okay,
inside.
aya twa fa send me.
Oh, but
Beetroot
me name ni
ana.
di wo
Beetroot.
beetroot. Beetroot, that's it. Your friend is
Ah.
say organum.
Ah, ana Ghana has a beetroot. Beetroot
Beetroot,
na ba me nim
beetroot.
me nim ni twi din, but
We
beetroot
decide the wife
na.
for you. Beetroot, do power.
Da na.
She say carrot.
Oh, okay. Okay. Enti ori ase no nko a ho.
Who aduanu ko
Mm,
who peel na well. Some people, maybe who peel now you can grind it like say na grind it adinanum.
okay.
Only the way fried ginger so no numa put me bo adinu power.
Sa.
Hey, try
Ane
and see.
George hun amane.
Hey,
Anyway,
yeah.
enti my friend is say, menim say why wadwen say unya Ghana abeba ana meboa.
Papa.
Na ha. Enti no wabebo ma over 20 years.
Mm,
Dem pa na ho say saa de kro we say enti. Abre bi abeba wadwen say mbese mba Ghana bia na asasa ateko. Den ana ema UK ase enti ma won free ho.
I no way, no chance. Tutor, me nya dia me pe bia, me say me fie wi a. Yo, and those who, thank you very much.
Na je say
Okay.
sikasɛm ti na woda so wɔ UK anka akɔ.
Me nusu me ajima last year December.
Okay.
Na me tina about 4 to 5 months na court to say intina man share jima. Otherwise anka every January February bia go fie.
Okay.
But this time I'm to me am baba me sure say November December there. Na me aduma me go buy. Because aduma
Obetimi.
na me nya no pese mo permanent ansana.
Okay. Okay.
More permanent that will guarantee. But I'll call agency there, yeah. What I'm going Ghana, sir, or be on Tiao. But our contract there, you can only ask permission and go for 1 month or 1 month or 6 weeks, and you still get paid for that. So it's different thing together.
Okay. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Enti say omo hwɛ yɛn wiase afa na nyinaa. Na no obi busa me sɛ ɔwɔ Italy na ɔpɛ sɛ ɔba UK. Okura Italy book ɔpɛ sɛ ɔde ba UK bɛyɛ adwuma. Is it possible?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, person, of course. So Krebu there.
Okura
So
Italy for book
Krebu
o.
there. Yes, book your book. Say European Union.
Na so ma firi
He
mu.
says, say,
Sɛ UK nka European Union no bi.
yeah, free. I want to be about now. I give payment to work, and that's it.
Oh, okay.
Nobody
Okay.
permit to work. Say European. He says, say, yeah, the press away,
Yeah, yeah.
then.
ECOWAS. Yeah.
That's it. Sa.
All right. And yeah, or last words. Obetimi de ama abusuafo wo obi abetia na na se wo bibi adbetwa to fo. Ghana fo a o mayo madwen se mabu no obu onom a bibia no ho abeka che na obeti. Ono so ne de ane so nim se agesa aburochire no obeyi. So opese chenchena
No.
atwan oba afuto be na arebe ma no. Ana se obu on so ono
Well,
so alternatives a obetimi stay home. Then arebe then aseba na beso ka kire sa nipa ko efo mi no nyina.
we always stay home there. Maybe Ghana phones who catch home say, Mamba, on penny.
Sɛ
Then yes, I mistake.
ɛyɛ a ɔmo
Company.
oyɛ a ɔmo bɛka sɛ ɔhɔ nya a wote hɔ yɛ dɛ sɛ ɔsɛ nso ba.
Sa no will be said. Sa me baby, me mommy ni brother.
Mhm.
Omu be say ka. Yeah, uncle, yeah. Wafa back bush akodo America. Oh, Kentucky sisia debia was it, massa. Myself say fire bonny chair because ya come was him up to now. What did I because one say I did a tram more you know. Want to me
Yeah.
ya mountain barriers. Makacha son ko New York. But you see I don't to me personal to me a delivery be all 10 years no.
Ɔte
Sisia
US 10
debia
years.
yes. Oh 10 years no clock in New York. Only say ya chi bebre o.
Mete.
Ya chi bebre o. Ya chi bebre o. The same thing, the same system na house start here teaching crop. We believe. I do my way. That's the same system they're doing now. Until well, Nicola, they just have to be extra careful. Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Okay. When it's a business course there, because there's no way I'm right to work straight away from home. It
Mhm.
depends. One more permit straight to do so. G. Okobe to a say they are fine. I say, G. Visiting visa 6 months or 2 years, master. It's up to you, but me when you say, especially here, now, survival is hard. Come on, Moody cares, we do bad in some of their visas were cancelled. Some of their visas were cancelled. Girls in Ankasa, Mudumba, no more Saja or Maja, Makofa, or say Okofa Nukunaba. He say, I cancel, totally cancel, blackmail. Yeah, the more Brunum say, scams room.
Mm.
Yeah, I did free. Me, I told more 7,000. Oh, call away, Jima, about an hour at you. And they start crying. Now the government got to say, hey, I didn't have free Omuji. Uberi new krata, Uberi new 2.5 krata, 3,800 for 2.5. Can obey new times 4 before I remember we definitely live to the main. You see, I
3,000
go,
utua sɛ sika no ma hwan.
I'm a government, I'm a home office, yes. You pay home office and pay NHS, which is a hospital now. Open. You pay all, I think, surcharge 2,000, now it's out to be a surcharge. Once you open 2 days in there, 2 days, which is over to your extra 1,000. You're running around 5,000 or 4,800 pounds before 2 days. Abba. But normal one, I bet you to say 6 months. 6 months. At the same time, you paid about 3,000 something. 2.5. Can obeji one. 3,000. Yeah, only 3,000. Two. 6,000. 12,000. Before you remember right to stay. Right, you just over to you. Maybe apply passport or you pay around 2,000 something like that. Very expensive, especially here. Very, very expensive. It is 12,000 way. Okay, that's 12,000 or Ghana. Say Eska, Anna.
Yeah.
Eska, but at the same time, so Tigana, so yes, Askano.
Okay. That is the
12,000.
issue.
And yes, so Tigana, so yes, Askano.
And sisi a sɛ wokɔ Ghana a adwuma bɛn na wode asi w'ani sɛ wokɔ abɛyɛ.
Me, already media, Nami here, Jamo Beachy, telecommunication, as I said to you.
Yeah.
And anything to do with the computer accessories, you want to be build this shop or store. Baako for my wife, baako for me. I can not to me at the Nima bar. At the Nima bar. I just because I don't want to work too much again. Them yeah. I don't want to work too much. Yeah. No. Me pay me gym. It will be at the shimi fee. Come. Yes. New business me running. In Sikasa, na maba. treatment and I'm hospital nicely. So I'm trying to register my wife now to bring her. In person one thing I'll register into my name. That's it. Yes, sir. And everybody register them. If they want to go in future, they can go. But me, better behave. Bye bye.
Why are there
Bye
20, 20 something years? Why are there?
Yes.
Why are there,
203.
pa?
203.
Yeah,
Me
23. Yeah,
wanna, me wanna believe. Me wanna believe it's our castle. Otherwise, my name I just say, send me look that time. Share that time. The castle power. Only boy be time out. Sampana. On original Kufochi. Sabar fara boy. We want win that.
Dabi.
Oh, so only Kufo border guard. When
Menka,
Kufo was from
I Kufuor, Ajakun Kufuor asem
Kufo.
eke.
Je Kufo.
Uh-huh.
Ni ono ni border guard no. I want
Mm-hmm.
the cheat that tall guy. No.
Mm-hmm.
Mini neti Medina ho. Mini never castle. Asana mi ba.
Oh, okay.
If you are nice. So yeah, ebi Ghana there, but income no,
Yeah,
income no, stable business no. Maybe I see government they should allow the individuals to open their business with the support of government.
yeah,
Not just politics. No, yeah, na where, yeah. Time is gone for that. How can we move forward? Is a solution. How can we move forward? Yeah, we had the election before up. Oh, Kai. The same day I declare. The same day the machine will show. But, who the same one I say? Go, go, go. Tam do another say. Clear one will say, one lose one kasa. It's no. And yes, it will be at the machine. Who the say another subtraction, addition, subtract, back. That's it. You can see it on the board. Any life. That's why I'm saying chill. The thing so what go to me no 10 years you go.
10 years.
10 years. Bah, straight away. Won't start people. Won't mean people don't even want to vote. They don't even want to vote. Now, then again, also be a ballot box. Yeah. Above you too. Why? Why? People kill people. They never face justice. They never face. They're still working there. Obi Maya Bonia Besha Bebre. They think they ran away. Why? When you say you're correct,
Hard pa.
imagine. Imagine. I dare you know. Then we can't face the law. Why? When you say wow, he has to face the law.
Yeah,
To face the law. It doesn't matter who you know. It doesn't matter who they are. That's a finish. How they hear this? No, who breaking law? You can't say we breaking law. The law will take its course. If you commit an heinous crime, you fail the full force of the law. Eh, that's how the law will interpret. Come on, Morgan, and me call meet commercial institute. O matter echo. What is that school?
Dabi.
Oh, matter say only matter echo.
Yeah, I mean matter echo.
Odoko side, you know.
Mm-hmm.
If school you or a friend Kateko, Nateko, Emmet.
Mm,
Yes, that was school. I was doing business there. I was doing business law. From business law, I do economics, blah blah. Na me free call. 80, what 80?
yeah. Accra
80.
Technical Training College,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's it. I've been there as electrical, something, na me jai. So na me call Castle. Well, yeah. The same telecommunication. We went there as a cleaners in the castle. And
Mm,
then Omu said, this guy is too much bright. And Omu me call communication department. So test room. We jump at the lines. We receive all the calls that are coming in castle, blah. We receive all the lines. Before by watching me say me NDC supporters. But then Omo woman be friend obo she side coffee. Say what onim no. Obo she side coffee.
Dabi.
But MPP MPP top no. Obo she
Mm.
side coffee.
Mm.
Ye no mu maybe. Na Alaji Honorable Alaji Bamba, what did he do?
Mate din da.
MP for Wenchi.
Okay.
Yes. No, see, no. But then long time, but then it was Jacob Lamte was the minister for what is it? I don't know. So what is Jake Inka?
Yeah, Jake. As I know, yeah, foreign affairs minister was there. Ibisa.
No, but Jake and the DH minister were the two people, the first people that come to Castle and tell us that white man go, white man come.
So, omna
Jake.
pamomo.
Okay. Eh?
Omna pamomo free o.
Yeah. The only thing he said, no one should scared. White man go, white man go, white man come.
Okay.
I'm not a white, you know.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. I know, is he chief of staff or something like that? And your Safamafo came there as a finance minister as well.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, Tinagana, we pay our fair share, we pay our tax to the government. And the guy, if you know, say, Master, who can say Ghana ni? You know, you're my Ghana son or buy.
Mhm. Mhm.
You know, you're my Ghana. Oh, you know, you're my Ghana. Bisa mina misu catch on them, you're my Ghana. Eh. So, yes, the Ghana saying politics, you know, it's very scary.
Yeah.
Very scary at the same time. So, ni madia obeya. Maybe person unye papa no be na odi war. It's not nice.
Mhm.
Election time fine. Yeah, we election great. That door should be shut. We move forward.
Yeah.
Who idea be able to move forward there? Let's go. Sana wa. Yes, we campaign so that is different thing. More House of Commons. They go House of Commons. Oh, more interrogate to be including the president. Yeah, we.
Mm.
House of Commons. But promise no one to me. I'm a friend. War. To be say. You say. No. You say no. House of Commons were the last people to decide. Africa went to my sir. One went to my friend, Akufado, Chebra, then we say, why?
Usuru.
Oh, Mama, no, why? Who are you? But they got such people here. They got such people. Corruption there, more for corruption there, go here, too. That's why. No mercy for cripple.
Yeah,
See, so
someone.
many things need to be changed. They need to be changed. If IGP, they shouldn't be appointed by the government. No,
Yeah.
they should be appointed by the people.
IGP, chief of
Yeah,
staff, all those
people
people.
style, all those people should be appointed by the
Yeah.
people. Not someone in power. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Want to make come here.
Yeah. Attorney General, Chief Justice.
That's it. Secondly, the most important are the judges and the lawyers don't get involved in the politics.
Mm.
They no. The neutral ground. One person when away in this. No, we don't have it here. Once they see that image, you're not gonna be there. Would you see also say, oh, would you I know I'm in position there? Cash for Anna.
Cash for the
Cash for Anna.
as then is a
Cash for Anna. So they'll be at the back
cash for
telling you
Anna
do that.
Matthias.
Yeah, cash for Anna. You see, they, so many things need to be changed. So many things need to change. Because otherwise Ghana is easy. Oh, but a man went to my coffee. You got the resources, but who's ready to work for sacrifice? Who's ready to work for the betterment of tomorrow? To leave a very good legacy? Who's ready to do that? Who? Yeah, only Mama. I can see Mama is trying. Is trying something
because
a bit. It's
because
trying to
we are in
change.
this in India.
Maybe I don't live in Ghana. How can I be NDC and MPP?
So
Because he's trying to change things.
okay, so now okay, so no, also ye ndisi no mu yiwedi.
That's it. That's what they think. Not
Yeah.
knowing I'm a civil servant. I'm a civil
Okay.
servant.
Okay.
Nti yenjai NDC MPP no asem
Yeah.
no. May
Yeah.
focus yenjai NDC. Time is gone for that.
Yeah.
NDC MPP yemma. And then second, the last one is tribalism. So if you whether I'm doing good, I'm not doing good, that mean open. It doesn't work like that. Whereas Yawu be brewa, Yawu brewa, Jimamu, who say MPP and NDC, so mu kuntoka. Yeah. Why? I keep
Oh,
telling them every day.
oh, nyina omo ye.
Yeah. Oh my God. Yo, woman be uka MPP at 70 and to call me sipa, yes more. Yeah. Oh, some women who do ja. Naso ukwa no be swaba. Uja good legacy, you will come back.
Yeah,
Anambwa.
of course.
Uja good legacy, you will come back. Nti yehwe na yan changing name bebre. Then just how unnecessary corruptions, unnecessary corruptions. Ghana, especially airport,
Airport.
west, Upa kofa one day na. Ada America no say na bebre. They asking you money indirectly. Why? Why? It's wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong. Seriously.
All
Maybe that
right.
officer no.
Mhm.
Yo. Okay.
Opanyi.
Maybe that officer.
Aha.
Hmm.
O de kasa, meet you.
Maybe that officer no. Me say let me buy no. Me nya internet to call my people. Say me waha. Na around say no. Me say any airport in the one na. Na me that for yeah three. Me say oh yeah airport. Where's the internet then? Na boy no go free the open you aba kuchu na say boss. Was uniform. Uno say lion be. No go say boss. Where's the internet? Where's the taxpayers' money? Big person say, I was say, Nagano say, oh, Omu say, they're doing it for how long? I've been studying here more than 1 hour now. Where's the internet? I say, later, no, catch a boy and say, oh, Jano, say, na, we want to go to for a long time. I say, Debbie. Omu, by UK, there, you be some question, you be some be a question. MP na wo me area and what ya honorable land, what ya we come knock into his office and say, why is this? Why is this? Can you explain to me? I don't because you're paying tax to the government. Uno vote to man, to a more respect, feel it from behind you. No. You want to see him, book an appointment and go there. Sunny, easy. This a pay service before they come down. Who vote to man we are who be or parliamentar, why Jimo, when you Jimo, Virginia Katia.
Yeah.
Why? Are there's no broken promises. Are there maybe? Also obey street obey. Why yeah, make us a Africa, they say political promises. No, there's nothing like that here. Also, move for say yeah, they also on the phone because I there work on 1 year half of it. They're pushing him to go.
Yeah.
They're pushing him to go. See you later. Africa, where is that happening? Where are the people? All the educated people become corrupted people.
Hmm.
Those who go to university, blah, 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 blah. They find ways and means to steal money. No one is ready to work for certain price. Why? Otherwise, Ghana, you will be here. You will be here. You will cocoa, you will diamond, you will be here. Why? That's how I make no there. They be a bed in common, them all frame a bed in combo.
Mate. Mate opanyi.
Anytime. My
Mate.
door is open. Yeah.
All right.
Anyway,
Mate. Enti,
thank you very much.
I medase. Oh, final words bi ade a obetimi aka. Bibia so ni ho de a na.
Oh, we are new.
Okay. Mate.
Only I don't make what you need to know is scan I work room a different time. Or we go we juma asana munyo musika. Want to just scan by art say that because once you spending the money you feel pain. Wait. Obi mu o internet scams. Obi mu o obi anya juma wo ye. Most of one chest can because he's feeling pain. Said I'm about to say, and you won't think about that. Because I'm sorry about 6 o'clock. I need to go.
Yeah.
But because I'm first come out for no reason. Maybe friend is call America. So I'm here in this for call America for visiting. So kwa saba na call visit. So you call visit 1 month akwa ban say maybe need as can. Call 1 month asaba. We need as can. I know
Oh.
that's the enjoyment. Enjoyment no. So who call other struggle na usu nyanya krata na onye na ya bo obi so abade a fine. Na wo sanko na asaba odi na man to asaba makwa America in New York. There's no time for that. There's no time for that. Me I mention now for me I don't like it. I'm fed up. Minim kona bia okroma kona. Minim UK I can call UK my home now because I've been here for 23, 24 years now. Me bapo any my me no any stick tall. He can even beat me up. Wafa only so move for gym. Why gym or tea? My body are humble because when you say me there, my bone that until when you say me there, I'm more mad than him. Into a body are very humble. But when my more there, one the champion or because of Brunino and Profono who say black boy, that's all more, no more leadership. I know, yeah, he's the gang leader. Now, friend me last week, I said, Dad, do you want a car? I want to give you my car and then get another one. A boy of 18 years. Yeah, a boy of 18. You say, now so I do my way, one cash out that. La.
Sir?
Nah. A more different way to get money. Different way. Easy. Because I'm so police. I'm so be a 8 now one on the Oko court or court will favor rule in his favor. That's a problem. Hey, that's me call Koye Bonivina. You are the police could do. Now catch my say, what did the cops was here? I say, you know your son. I say, officer, take him away. I say, wow, did you actually tell the police to take me away? I say, yeah, because what you've done is wrong. You have to face the law. You go and come back. Just go and come back. Officer, take him away. I'm sure they knew. I didn't laugh. Ni papa, ni mama, ni papa, you're soldier. Papa, no buy. Say, thank you very much. You're the man. No one can do this in his life. Someone will say because he's his son, but you said take him away and come back.
Yeah.
Up to now was Romy. Was Romy. When he said I can do anything. That's the fairness. That's the fairness. Because no, it doesn't have no respect for police. Nah. True? Nah. I know a shaggy, only shaggy. That's him. Subhanallah. I know so me to say baby. Because I beat him before. Yes. But for your mom, can I have 5 for mom? Can we any son? Na me got to tell baby, me share his behavior. He share his behavior. Of course, kitchen, vandalizing everything. Na me pray here. He say, oh, don't. I say, yeah, don't call me. Don't talk to me. Today, me and you, we will fight till thy kingdom come. You know thy kingdom come? That all we done on earth. You know that? I beat him up. He ran away upstairs. I went there and beat him up. 2 minutes, police came and knocked the door. 2 minutes. Knock the door. I say, yes. Boss, how can I help you, man? Oh, wow. I say, yeah, it's my son. Is your son still awake by this time? Your son, is he still awake? I'm not trying to be, I'm just asking you a question. It's freedom of speech. I'm just asking you a question. Is your son still awake? I don't want my son on the street. I'm going to go and beat him up, and then we go and face the law. I'll show you, sir. No, beside him, mommy say, is he the biological father? The mom said, look at his face, look at their face. Tell him, we catch your police. Look at their face. There's nothing to tell you. You can see the boy look like his daddy. You're asking me absolute rubbish question. Come on, man. Listen, get out from my house. Get out from my house. Don't have time. So I don't catch your police. That day, I told him to kneel down and say sorry to his mom for his behavior. He did. He did. For chance to go to the kitchen and wash your mom's plate. Yeah, we were looking after. What you giving to us in return? But we're looking at. We say this we buy. You say this we buy, and you can't come to the house and disrespect your parents. In our country, we don't do that. You can do outside, no home. Since that day, up to now, Mom, can I go wash your plate, Mom? Before Dad came here and fill me up. You see, Uncle, what? So when your biological father want to me here because the
Yeah.
police will arrest you.
Yeah.
The police, I am here, so I can do it, but not too much. Middle, not too much. Can beat him up, so he knows I can do that. When the police come, we can go. We can go somewhere and face the law and interpret the law. Law do I share business law do I share organic. Kitten, you might think it's nothing. It is something. The same law they apply for right to be here and go to court for stay. The same law. Comparison. I did a law to the agreement. I did a law to the negative and positive response. Okay. That's it. Thank you very much, Baba.
Yeah. Opanyi medase.
No
Yamin
problem.
shrapa.
Thank you very much.
Enti ebedi nkomo
Yeah,
later. All right.
no
Bye
problem.
bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Yes, abusuafo enti megye sɛ mo nyina motie mense mo mmerɛ wowɔ adwenkyerɛ bi a nsɛm a ɔpanyin ka yɛ nyinaa wowɔ adwenkyerɛ bi a wobɛtumi de aba sɛ wonni adwenkyerɛ bi a nso na sɛ wopɛ sɛ ebi a ɔnso ba program no so a wobɛtumi akɔntact me ɛwɔ WhatsApp number na egu screen ase no na a yɛtumi akɔnɛte na yɛdi nkɔmmɔ ɛwɔ saa kwan no so nti no mede mu bɛsi a na nyame yɛ adom a yɛbɛsan atoa so yɛdi nkɔmmɔ yɛsua deɛ sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a yɛn nyinaa yɛbɛtu yɛn ho fo nti baabi a ɔhwɛ me firi biara no wobɛtumi afa WhatsApp number no na wakɔntate yɛbɛ make time na yɛdi nkɔmmɔ na yɛhu nneɛma a ɛkɔ so atesɛm ne realities on ground so nneɛma bi saa no yɛbɛdi nkɔmmɔ de afa ho nyɛ ɛne fɔm a ɛyɛ gidigidi bi ada bi ase yɛdi nkɔmmɔ saa ɔhu saa ala no ase yɛdi nkɔmmɔ na yɛdi nkɔmmɔ na yɛsua deɛ ne yɛkɔ ani nti makra mo bye bye.
Yɛsan ma mo akɔ aba sonko de ba COVTVGHANA so. Wɔ COVTVGHANA so no, yɛbɔ taeɛ ne yɛn dwumadie titiri paa ne sɛ yɛbɛboa ama mpontunyuma akɔ so yie wano wɔ Ghana ha sɛ. Ne sɛ nti no, yɛfiri wɔ pɛpa mu to yɛn ho gu mmɔntene so kokotwa mpontunyuma ahodoɔ a ɛkɔ so wɔ Ghana ha baabi a sɛ ɛyɛ akwan foforɔ na aban no yɛ. Hospitals, airport, interchange, school, market, stadium ne nea ɛkeka ho nyinaa. Yɛne yɛn team nwanwasoɔ kɔ hɔ kokotwa sɛ ne dwumadie ne sifa kɔ wɔ hɔ. Na afei nso, akwan ne mmea wodo a atete apansam so no yɛkotwa sɛ ne ɛbɛyɛ a ɛbɛtwe aban no agye n'asi so na wakɔakɔyɛ wɔnom a ɛwɔ hɔ ne nso mmoa dwumadie foforɔ a yɛsan di no wɔ COVTVGHANA so ne sɛ yɛ interview Ghanafoɔ a ɛwɔ aburokyire anaasɛ wɔ man yi mu a watumi adi yie atu mpɔn wɔ abrabɔ na watumi akyerɛkyerɛ yɛn kwampa ahodoɔ a yɛn nso yɛbɛtumi afa so anya sika ne yɛde ahyɛ business ase enti mɛmma wo werɛ mfi sɛ wobɛ subscribe to yɛn YouTube channel ɛyɛ COVTVGHANA na wamia notification bell ne so sɛ ne ɛbɛyɛ a wommɛsi yɛn videos a yɛ dropping mu baako kraa.